What if the best investing strategy is the one that feels almost boring? Most people don't lose money because they're bad at math. They lose money because they chase excitement, hot tips, constant trading, and panic during dips. But across decades of investing books, from legendary investors to data-backed researchers, the same few principles keep showing up. Today, I'll show you the clearest, most repeatable advice for investing wisely and growing wealth without hype. Rule 1. Win the behavior game first. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel's core point is simple. Doing well with money has more to do with behavior than brilliance, because emotions decide when we buy, sell, or quit. So, build a plan that protects you from yourself. Automate investing, avoid checking prices all day, and expect volatility like bad weather, unpleasant but normal. Rule 2. Live below your means, because that's where investing begins. In The Millionaire Next Door, the big pattern isn't flashy income, it's lifestyle control. Many wealthy households are disciplined savers and avoid status spending. Translation: your savings rate matters more than your next big stock. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is the fuel for compounding. Rule 3. Keep fees low. Small percentages become big money. Fees are one of the few things you can control, and they compound in reverse. The US SEC warns that even small ongoing fees can seriously reduce long-term results because you lose the fee and the growth that money could have earned. This is why low-cost index funds became such a powerful idea. They aim to capture market returns while minimizing costs. Rule 4. Diversify and make it hard to do something stupid. John C. Bogle, founder of Vanguard, argued for a straightforward approach: buy and hold a broadly diversified, low-cost index fund for the long term. And Burton Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street explains why. Markets rapidly reflect information, so consistently beating the market is extremely difficult, meaning disciplined indexing and diversification can outperform many high-effort strategies after costs. Rule 5. Demand a margin of safety. Benjamin Graham, mentor to Warren Buffett, taught the margin of safety idea. Don't pay full price when uncertainty is everywhere. Even if you mostly use index funds, this mindset is still useful. Don't take fragile risks. Avoid leverage you can't survive. Build a buffer, because markets can stay irrational longer than your emergency fund. Rule 6. Stay invested longer than you think is necessary. Compounding doesn't need genius, it needs time. Housel highlights patience as the quiet superpower behind big results. So instead of asking, what will explode this year, ask, what can I hold through boring months and scary headlines? Rule 7. Make your plans simple enough to follow in a crisis. Even Warren Buffett has repeatedly pointed regular investors toward low-cost index funds as a practical default. The best plan isn't the fanciest, it's the one you can stick with when the market is loud. If you want more calm, visual breakdowns of money and investing, hit subscribe. New videos every week. Simple conclusion: to grow wealth, spend less than you earn, invest in diversified low-cost assets, respect risk, and give compounding time. Boring? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely.